Diaper Pail Deodorizers. Fits Diaper Genie Ubbi and by Ninja Mama is one of the best baby diaper pail deodorizers products. No more smelly nursery room. The manufacturer's brand new product, a pack of 12 bamboo charcoal sachets with one free holder stop unpleasant diaper pail smells in their tracks, refusing to allow bad odors to seep out of your pail and into your nursery room. Leaving you and your baby with fresh and purified air. Protects your baby from breathing yucky chemicals from fragranced air fresheners and powders. The manufacturer's charcoal sachets are a natural eco-friendly solution that absorbs smells instead of masking them with harmful chemical fragrances. Simple to use, even if sleep-deprived. Pack contains one holder and 12 deodorizers, no multitasking required. Just place the sachet in the diaper pail filter pocket. Sachets measure 2.5 by 2.5 inches and so they fit most brands' pockets including Diaper Genie. Use the holder provided or tape to the underside of the lid and let the charcoal do the work. Tackles those stinky diapers. Extra stinky diaper day. Just dump a couple of extra sachets under the bag in the diaper pail to absorb those super pungent smells during particularly smelly times such as teething and weaning. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Beautifully packaged, mommy approved. It's a necessity for new and experienced mommies alike. What better gift to give for a baby shower? Add to a basket of gifts or give on its own. Also perfect for other small smelly places. Trash cans, shoe and pet odors to name but a few. They even work in gym bags and gym lockers. Each sachet lasts up to 30 days.